Understanding dummy text in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic, the phrase, dummy text. Have you ever come across it? Let's unravel its meaning and usage together. Dummy text is a term used to describe content that fills space but has no real meaning. It's essentially placeholder text used in the publishing and design industry. The primary purpose is to demonstrate what a design or layout will look like without the final content. There are a few reasons why designers and publishers use dummy text. 1. Visual representation. It helps in visualizing how the actual content will fit and look in a design. 2. Focus on design. Using meaningless text ensures that the viewer or client is not distracted by the content and can focus on the design itself. 3. Filler content. Sometimes, the actual content isn't ready. Dummy text serves as a temporary filler until the final content is available. You might have come across a strange Latin text starting with Lorem Ipsum. This is the most popular form of dummy text. Even though it appears to be Latin, it doesn't have a coherent meaning in that language. Its roots trace back to a work by Cicero, a Roman statesman, orator, and author. Over the years, this text has been used by typesetters and now by digital designers as a standard dummy text. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you need to use dummy text. 1. Use online generators. There are several online tools that generate Lorem Ipsum or other dummy texts for you. 2. Customize it. You can always write your own. Just ensure it doesn't convey any unintended messages or meanings. 3. Temporary. Remember, it's meant to be replaced. Always swap it out for the actual content before finalizing a project. We've journeyed through the concept of dummy text together. It's more than just random words on a page. It's a powerful tool in the world of design and publishing. We hope this video shed light on its importance and use. Until next time, happy learning!